All right, question 2. An equation is shown below. Which statement about the type of solution, x value, is true? They give you a bunch of statements here, but basically you got to solve it first, and you can kind of read through these and see which one makes the most sense. So let's do what we know to do over here. I rewrote it real quick, got it set up. Going to distribute on both sides, really. So I've got to do 2 times 5x and 2 times a negative 1 there. I'm going to write kind of small. 2 times 5x, 10x. I think I can fit it. There we go. 10x. Minus 2, when you do the 2 times negative 1, that's going to equal 24x minus. Well, I'm going to put minus, but I should have probably waited. We're going to distribute a negative 7 into the 2x and the 1. I know I'm going to get a negative out of that. So 7 times the 2x would have been, that's why I put the minus sign there, minus 14x. And then the negative 7 minus the 1, don't forget that negative 7, that 7 has a negative in front of it. So that's going to be negative 1, negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. All right, how else can we simplify this down, reduce it, simplify it, shrink it, whatever? You can do 24x minus 14x right there. So rewrite your left side. All right, keep everything evened out. 10x minus 2 equals 24x minus 14x is going to get you 10x minus 7. And now we've simplified this down to one variable, got it on both sides. Let's add, instead of doing that minus 2, let's add 2 to both sides. Let's add 2 there. Let's add 2 there. Going to cancel out there. We are left with 10x on the left. It is equal to 10x on the right. Negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5. All right, negative 7, we gain 2 back, and there we go. Now, we're going to subtract away 10, but watch what happens here. So we've got to subtract away 10x, subtract away 10x. It's going to cancel there, and 10x minus 10x is going to get you 0. And 0 is going to be equal to negative 5. All right, so very interesting. Go and look at your answer choices. The first one says no real value of x will make the equation true. Possibly, because we don't have an answer. The second one says only one value of x will make the equation true. Well, x didn't equal anything. X right over here got wiped out, so I don't think that's a good answer. C, an infinite number of x values will make the equation true. No, that's not true. And then none of the above. Sometimes you go for none of the above, but usually the answer choice is not none of the above. The best one is right over here. Yeah, if you get x just wiped out, then no value. No value is going to make x true, and that's the answer right there for 2.